Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do 3 really quick and easy hairstyles which are perfect for the Christmas holidays. To start, we're going to do a low twisted bun hairstyle. To start, I'm going to section off the hair from the top of the head to just above the ears on both sides and just clip this out of the way for later. Now I'm going to take some texture powder. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And then just taking thin slices of hair from the crown, I'm just adding this to the scalp. Once I've got that powder added, I'm going to add a little bit of back combing all across that crown area. If you don't like back combing, you can totally skip this step. Once you've got everything back combed, just flip each section back and just smooth out the top layer with the very end of your comb. Then apply some wax spray to the top of the head, and we're just going to gather up that back combed area. Give it another smooth over with your comb and secure into a small ponytail at the back of the head. Then gently use your fingers to pinch and pull at that crown area for a little bit more volume and texture. Now gather the remaining hair into a low ponytail, and we're going to release the clips from those front sections. And starting on the right hand side, I've left a bit of hair out to frame the face, and I'm going to take the whole section and again just give it a tiny bit of back combing, apply some more wax spray and smooth it out and bring it round to the back of the head. Then just pin it slightly to the left hand side of that ponytail using a bobby pin or two. Then pinch and pull the side sections to match the texture at the top. Then we're simply going to repeat it on the left hand side. So take your section, add a bit of back combing, apply your wax spray and then bring it round to slightly to the right hand side of the ponytail and pin with a bobby pin. Now I'm just going to put a loose curl in this ponytail. This doesn't have to be perfect, but make sure you curl everything the same way. I'm going to divide the ponytail into 3 sections, and taking that first section on the left hand side, I'm going to twist it all in one direction, and then I'm going to bring it up and over the top of the elastic band, holding it to the right hand side and secure with a few bobby pins to the head. You can leave the tail ends hanging down on the right hand side for now. Now divide that ponytail in half. And again, we're going to twist everything in one direction, and we're going to bring it up and over the first section so it lays directly on top of it. And again, use a few bobby pins to pin it to the head, leaving the right hand side tumbling down. Now gather those tail ends together with the remaining section and twist everything in the same direction, and we're just going to lift it up and over the bun one more time, laying it directly on top of the last section and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. And then just tuck any tail ends underneath and pin them to the head. Apply some more wax spray to your bun and just pinch and pull for a bit more texture. Then we're just going to curl those front sections away from the face on both sides. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Okay, moving on to the second hairstyle. Next we're going to do this really simple but very easy twisted chignon. To start out, I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face on both sides, and then I'm going to divide the hair in half. Clip the right half out of the way, and working on the left hand side, I'm going to divide the hair in half again, and then just pull it down to the nape of the neck and secure each one of those halves into an elastic band to create 2 ponytails. I've started off with curly hair, but you can totally do this on straight hair as well. Then we're going to repeat the same steps on the right hand side, so split that right hand section in half and make 2 more low ponytails. So you should have 4 small ponytails all next to each other. Now I'm going to apply some wax spray across the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then, holding on to each ponytail, I'm gently going to pinch and pull at the hair on the crown and around the sides for some more volume and texture. Next, take the ponytail on the far left hand side and we're going to twist it towards the head and join it to that third ponytail. So miss one out and join it to the one next to it. Just secure it with another clear elastic band. Now we're going to take the ponytail that's now on the left hand side, so ponytail number 2, and we're going to join this to the one on the far right hand side, or ponytail number 4. So twist it towards the head and secure it with an elastic band to that last ponytail. Apply some texture spray over those 2 ponytails that we've secured down. Again, I'll pop this in the description. Then use your finger to really pump up the volume and give this twist a little bit more texture. And for some added security, I'm just going to slip a couple of bobby pins through the centre of those twists. Now, taking the 2 ponytails that we have hanging down, I'm going to do a rope braid. So twist both of the ponytails anti-clockwise and then cross that left hand strand over the right hand strand. And then just keep repeating this until you get to the bottom and secure it off with another elastic band. Next, I'm going to pop my fingers down behind that first little twisted section, grab those twists from the ponytail and bring them up and through, just so you've got the tail ends poking out. Then secure that little loop at the bottom of the head with a few bobby pins. And then taking those tail ends, I am just going to add another little elastic band on the very end. This just makes pinning them a lot easier. And I'm just going to tuck them in underneath one of those twists and secure with a couple of bobby pins. Then fan it out with your fingers so it matches the rest of the hair. Next, just secure everything in place with a little bit of Stronghold hairspray. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. And last but not least, hairstyle number 3, which is this beautiful twisted updo. To start, I'm going to curl the hair using my straighteners, and I'm going to alternate the direction in which I curl the hair every time I take a new section. Once you've got all the hair curled, apply some texture spray all over the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Now I'm going to start on the right hand side, and I've left a bit of hair out to frame the face, and I've just taken a small section of hair and I'm going to divide it in 2 and cross the bottom strand over the top strand. Then I'm going to add a section of hair to the bottom strand and again twist it over that top strand, and we're going to basically work all the way down from the top of the head to the middle of the back of the neck doing this method. So add your hair from the outside of the head to that bottom strand and then twist it over the top strand. When you get to the middle of the neck at the back, stop adding hair and just finish it off in a regular twist, securing with an elastic band. Then just repeat the same twist on the opposite side. Next, I'm going to cross the left twist over the right and hold it to the nape of the neck. And then I'm going to slip a few bobby pins down the centre of each one of those twists to keep it secure. I always keep my bobby pins closed, that way they catch as much hair as possible. And then I'm just going to take that left twist, bring it up and around to the right hand side, holding the hair as I go, and then just pin it in place using a few bobby pins. Pinch and pull at the twist for more volume. And then on the opposite side, I've just rolled the ends under and brought it over from the right to the left hand side, keeping it as close to that first twist as we can, and again securing with bobby pins. Spend a minute or two pinching and pulling your bun for volume. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know which one's your favourite hairstyle in the comments section below.